Hi guys, and welcome to another edition of Prohire Truck TV. Today again we're out and about as we do on our travels, and we find ourselves in Oldham, in just outside Manchester, with a very innovative company called TRAILAR. And these guys in their world have transforming the way that electricity can be pushed through both EV vehicles right the way through all forms of transport. And I'm lucky to be joined with Aaron, who's the co-founder and joint MD of this very innovative company, and hopefully today we can ask some questions and get some clear answers on where TRAILAR are going and how this can fit into all your vehicle requirements going forward. Hey Aaron, how are you doing?
Hello, you're right.
Thanks for having us in today, and we're just trying to get a feel for who you guys are and what you do.
Yeah, so yeah, TRAILAR. We put solar technology on commercial vehicles. We came up with the idea around 5 years ago, whilst on a management development program, funny enough, and we've, I guess, transformed the way in which sort of solar and logistics can be integrated. We put thin film solar matting on top of the roof of a vehicle. That could be a rigid vehicle, small light van, electric vehicle, bus, waste collection vehicle, and we use that power in real, splendid ways really, and put it in parts of the vehicle where it's needed most. And by doing so, we reduce fuel emissions and maintenance spend of that vehicle.
Fantastic. Now, talking to the guys here before and some of the engineering guys as well, that's part of this amazing business. They've seen the world change a lot, perhaps in the last 12-18 months, I suppose.
Yep.
And you were telling me before that things are going one way for TRAILAR.
I mean, yeah, we got off to a great start to the year really, and in times of the current climate, I guess, we couldn't have wished for a better start. We've been through a lot, obviously, as the world has really, but we use the time effectively really to go back and revisit the products and make sure they're working to their optimum status. And then equally, yeah, we've got off to a flying start and working with some great customers, and now venturing into the EV market as well. And quite rightly, if it works for traditional diesel vehicles, then definitely it works for electric vehicles. So we're seeing the fruits of our labour now pay off.
Fantastic. And that's one of the reasons we're here as well, of course, with Prohire. As you see, on a traditional contract hire company, but with ProGreen, alternative fuels and alternative fuel vehicles are at our core, of course, and we're seeing this as being a real step forward for some of the offering and solutions that we can have with our own contract hire fleet. So it's a double-edged sword today. One's to showcase a really innovative company based in Manchester, or just outside Manchester for those who are the purists, and of course how we can enjoy that into our own fleet and add the benefits and show the benefits to our own customers. So I've had a really smashing day here today, and we're going to really showcase in the next coming months on new vehicles we've got going through. We're actually going to put some systems on our own vehicles, and we can do some measurements and really give some of the feedback that you guys really need. So we've moved inside now to have a look inside the inner sanctum of some of the things that are going on with testing from the TRAILAR facility. And of course, I suppose proving that these things work is going to be the most important thing that we can do with this. And I'm joined inside here by Adam, who is the principal engineer for TRAILAR. And one of the things we can do now is trying to get a little bit more detail on what the benefits are and how we measure those. And so I'm going to involve someone with far more technical knowledge than I have on this subject. So, Adam, we're inside your inner sanctum, and you've been busy closing up boxes and moving things around so we can't get away with any trade secrets, which I completely understand. But from a journeyman's perspective, and certainly from guys that are watching this, what is it that we have, and how do we actually get value from that?
Yeah, so I guess starting really with the product, a large difference in terms of what you tend to see on houses, and that is the mats are actually a very thin film, very flexible.
Yeah.
And as you can see, they're only 3 millimeters thin.
Amazing.
And they're only 2 kilograms per meter squared. So they're completely different to your monocrystalline panels that you would get on your house. And they're sort of built for originally for high earthquake areas.
Right.
So they're built to be durable, flexible, so they're perfect for the environment that you get on the road really. And then say from this mat, we then move to our charge controller.
Yeah.
So that's something that we test here in-house in Oldham. So again, the difference between this charge controller and your standard solar is that as soon as there's a second source of power come into the system like your alternator. A standard solar controller would cut off and not push in the power. That's really our IP, where we're actually able to control that power and push in our solar, and through that we're reducing that alternator load and reducing the fuel and CO2 in the same instance.
I see, so effectively what we're doing is we're turning the alternator down and using the solar power to do the ancillary work that the alternator would do. So therefore the fuel saving becomes because the alternator is not under the same load it was before. Yeah, no, exactly. I mean it's quite it's the same as within your house. You come in, you turn your lights on, you don't really realise where that power is coming from. You don't think it's costing you money. It's exactly the same sort of in your car basically. You'll turn your lights on, you'll have your heating on, you'll put your stereo on without actually worrying about where this is costing me. And actually that is costing you from the alternator, and that is costing you in fuel. So essentially we're turning your lights off and saving you fuel, saving you money, and also saving you CO2. Amazing. I think it's starting to become very clear now how this can work. And when we were talking earlier on, we were talking about again trailers, and I think you touched on battery technology. Would you be able to just run that through for just before we were talking about the benefits of these batteries against trailer double decks and that kind of thing? Yeah, no, for sure. So I mean, battery technology has increased loads in the last sort of 3 to 5 years. Especially with what's being spec'd from manufacturer as well. So there has been a big push, and a lot of that is within, say, especially for trailers and double decks, is this new sort of AGM technology, where it increases the amount of capacity you have in the deep cycle, and they're able to actually cycle down further and recover a lot quicker. So typically we fit this style of battery within our product now, which is say a premium AGM battery. And what this does is it does give us that extended capacity, but also through the charging of our solar, we're able to recharge these batteries, keep them at optimum health, and therefore extend the life of these batteries and extend the life of your operation. Fantastic. So just a couple of not confusing, but certainly interesting letters used there with sort of AGM, decycle, all that kind of. So what is AGM? So it's a glass back technology. So essentially the lead is in a matting rather than sort of your standard cell before. So you can get in, that's where the increased capacity comes from, because you can use a lot more of the space. So rather than being a sort of cylindrical cell, you now have a sort of flat matting, and you can pack in more power, pack in more capacity, and that's where you get that sort of premium service. Cycle then from that. That's for sure. Amazing. It totally makes it makes sense. Of course, I think the idea of what we do with all of these things is trying to bring out the content and bring out what's available. But please remember, everything you see and everything we're doing is available through Prohire, and we can add this amazing equipment to your vehicles. Of course, Adam, I think we've only got a few minutes, and of course I really appreciate the time you spared with us out of your busy day to sort of keep us entertained. We love it. I mean, I think it's been an amazing day today. I really had a great look round, lots of great stuff to look at, and a really bright future. So you've got lots of new things in the pipeline, have we? So specifically, I've sort of gone through the solar. We can go through the how that makes a fuel saving, how we've got maintenance benefits on the battery, and the next stage that we have basically is the telematics and the actual operational information that we can provide through that telematics. So inherent within our system, we do have a telematics that's actually the brain of our system, and through that we can provide you things like your GPS data, your FMS information. But on top of that as well, we introduce different sensors, like we can count your tail lifts, we can see how much energy your tail lifts have been using, we can see the offtake on your batteries, and then coupled with that we can also have temperature sensors, and providing all of that to the customer as well as the fuel saving, it sort of brings a ring around the vehicle and provides you operational benefits as well as all of the fuel and maintenance as well. I think you'll agree, an amazing package all round, and I guess from my perspective, I just love seeing great tech companies doing great things, and this is no exception. What's been amazing is you're speaking to people who actually care and love their product, which again for me is just amazing. I think, as I said before, I'm trying not to take up too much of these guys' time, but I can keep thinking of new questions and new things to ask for hours to come. But on this, we'll have to cut it from there. And I guess from my perspective, we've come to the end of another edition of Prohire Truck TV, and I'm going to leave before I get ejected from the premises. I've been all day, I've been eating sandwiches, biscuits, I've had tea and coffee, and it's now time to hit the road. But I want to thank the guys here at TRAILAR again. An amazing day, great product. Please, if you like what we do, subscribe, share, and we'll see you again next time.